Gohan,
Yeah.
I'm gonna do whatever I can to get that monster locked down. You charge and attack, and the second you see an opening, hit him as hard as you can with a Kamehameha or whatever, straight in that thick skull of his.
I understand.
Everything you've got. No holding back. The fate of the entire world is riding on that one shot.
Got it.
No.